Hi students, welcome again. This is Elim Kiganjani, and today we're going to solve a question from Necta 2019. This is question number 10a. Factorize the quadratic expression 3x squared minus 11x minus 20 by splitting the middle term. So the essence behind splitting the middle term is in this way. We're gonna take 3x squared minus 11x minus 20. So you're gonna look for two numbers. Those numbers, when you multiply them, call it AC, will be negative 60. And actually when you add those two numbers, you're going to get negative 11. So we'll be checking the factors of negative 60. We know that negative 60, you can actually minus 20 times 3 or 3 times minus 20. You can take also 12 times 5 or 5 negative or positive 5 times negative 12. You can take actually also 15 times negative 4 or 15 negative times positive 4 and many others. So because from here you can see that actually negative 15 and positive 4 are the factors we are going to use. You multiply these numbers, you get negative 60, you add them, you get negative 11. So we are going to take now 3x squared minus 11x minus 20. This is equal to 3x squared minus 15x plus 4x minus 20. And this is equal to 3x, you take it out of the bracket, x minus 5 plus 4 taken out of the bracket, you have x minus 5. So x minus 5 is common now. You take it out of the bracket, and in the bracket remain 3x plus 4. So eventually you'll be having x minus 5, 3x plus 4. So we can conclude that therefore 3x squared minus 11x minus 20, this is equal to x minus 5 multiplied by 3x plus 4, dear students. That is factorization of the given quadratic expression by splitting the middle term. So until next time, hopefully you get something for those who are in the journey of actually preparing for their national exams next